أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
This is Qari Muhammad Qasim Ilmi and this is Muhammad
Ali Chishti.
Yes, this is Muhammad Ali Chishti and this is my lovely son. And today we are making a new video, okay, for those who want to teach online Quran all over the world in English, okay. And today he will assist me and help me for reading Mr. Muhammad Ali Chishti. Yes, and please watch this video till to end. Okay, now we are going to on laptop screen. Okay, Ali, please repeat these sentences, these vocabulary, okay, and repeat after me. Okay, read after me. So the lesson number 1, Tauheed.
Tauheed.
Yes, oneness of Allah Ta'ala. Yes, oneness of Allah Ta'ala. Keywords. Believe. No children. Need. Not made. Forever. Worship. Parents. Partner. Allah. Alone. One. Okay, please, could you please read with me, okay? Read after me this sentence. Okay, number 1. I believe in one Allah. Number 2. Allah Ta'ala has no children. Allah Ta'ala has no parents. Allah Ta'ala has no partner. Allah Ta'ala has no partner. Yeah. Number 5. We need Allah Ta'ala. Number 6. Allah Ta'ala was not made. Number 7. Allah Ta'ala has been forever and will remain and will remain forever. Number 8. He alone do we worship. Yes. Lesson number 2. Allah Ta'ala is all knowing. Al-Aleem. Keywords. Everything we do what we think. In our hearts everywhere tomorrow. Okay. Number 1. Allah Ta'ala knows everything. Allah Ta'ala knows what we do. Allah Ta'ala knows what we think. Allah Ta'ala knows what is in our hearts. Allah Ta'ala knows what happens everywhere. Allah Ta'ala knows what will happen tomorrow. Yes. Al-Aleem.
Aleem.
Yes. All knowing.
All knowing.
Good boy. Lesson number 3. Lesson number 3.
Lesson number 3.
Allah Ta'ala
Allah Ta'ala
is
is
all
all
seeing.
seeing.
Al-Basir.
Al-Basir.
Keywords.
He was
Sees.
sees
Good.
good,
Bad.
bad,
Evil.
evil,
Everything.
everything,
Cannot see.
cannot see.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Allah Ta'ala sees
Allah Ta'ala sees
everything.
everything.
Allah Ta'ala sees
Allah Ta'ala sees
everything
everything
we do.
we do.
Yes. Allah Ta'ala sees
Allah Ta'ala sees
the good
the good
we do.
we do.
Yes. Number 4. Allah Ta'ala sees
Allah Ta'ala sees
the bad,
the bad,
evil
evil
we do.
we do.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Allah Ta'ala sees us,
Allah Ta'ala sees us,
but we
that we
cannot
cannot
see
see
Him.
him.
Yes. Al-Basir,
Al-Basir,
all seeing.
all seeing.
Yes. And please subscribe this channel, and please like this video, share this video, and it is possible for you to share it as much as you can. And please share on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Facebook. Okay, thank you for watching. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Deen, Dunya and Akhirah. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.